Like, slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Why did you turn this way? I don't understand you.
I feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal.
All right, my friend, it's time to step it up with the CRV. Are you ready for this?
Are we ready? This is another day for us.
All right, man. So the tolls have blessed us for the next, however long we need for this shit. Yeah. So we're gonna start off with reverse, top speed. Throw that bitch, all right? I'm gonna go behind you. Do you need a practice run? Or you're just gonna go for it?
Let's send it. Let's send it.
Send it?
Let's send it.
Send it, don't bend it.
Send it, don't bend it.
The fuck? Oh no, the CRV. He's totally welcome to pass. All right, boys. What happened, dog? You know the rules. 50 or go home. It's the first one. Give him a warm up, Brother, I don't know. He's supposed to go 50, okay? I think he's nervous. I think he's nervous. Look at that fucking spool right there. Oh, shit, I got 60. Oh, God. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? What did I say? What did I say? It was like seriously 65 miles an hour reverse, bro. I have it on the speedo right here. Inside angle, boys?
Inside angle.
Casually, just like reversing 65 for the boys. Oh, God. What the fuck? This man is not even touching the wheel the whole time.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
His tire popped.
Shit, are you good? Fuck.
Are you okay?
Yeah, we straight. Fuck.
Hey, tire's flat.
Fucked it.
Oh my.
Nah, I fucked it, dude. I fucked it. No, you did not fuck it. What are you
I
talking
didn't
about? You
fuck
hit dirt. You hit.
fuck
Why
it,
did
bro.
you turn this way? I don't understand you.
I don't know what the fuck happened.
What do you mean?
I had my wheel. I had my wheel. Bro, I had my wheel. I was ready. I was ready, and then I was like,
bro, what the fuck?
I don't know what the. That's how.
Yeah, it's going flat.
Yeah, that bitch is going flat. The only way this is gonna do another 720 is she comes back with new tires.
Hold on, bro. We'll drive real quick. Let's make sure your car can drive.
Órale, wey! Órale, wey! Órale, wey! Let's send it, but dude, I don't trust my car now that I fucking like
Tires
this.
is nothing to What do you mean don't trust your car? You just went into a wall, my boy, and drove off. Your car is fucking good.
You did save me. I will give you that.
All right, come toward me. There it is. Look at that wheel. Nice and fat. I've never seen a car smack the shit out of something and just say, and go again. But the reason why it's not going again is because, bro, just a fucking flat tire and you have a bent control arm or a bent wheel, bro. That is not a flat.
Oh yeah, no, that rip.
Can we all just go back to the crash site? I don't know how you survived. So this is where it was absolutely just fact. My boy, look at how the said gods came through. My man came half a foot. This is all the damage.
Who's got a Sharpie?
My man literally just like dashed his pole.
Honda, baby. Sean T 720 Honda had to sign it right there for the homies.
Still got some more plans tomorrow.
Yeah, we definitely do.
Y'all talk about seeing some real Saudi drifting. Y'all about to see a Camry at 120 sideways tomorrow with the Arabs, baby. All right, boys. The Habibis are back, motherfucker. Better than ever. There's some sort of sideshow going on here. Nothing to do with us. But today, I promise you guys, we bring the fucking Habibi Sandy. Right here, baby. Toyota Camry, just like my brothers and mothers do this shit back in the country. We got the entire street. Time to bring this shit to the America. All right, Dylan. First time we're swinging it. He's gonna be in the car with me. We're gonna turn traction off. I'm gonna be like 90% of the rest of this video full Arab. Otherwise, my cousins are gonna kill me. Here we go! I need faster! This is good. professional. Very professional. It appears you had too much air in the front, so the level of grip is minimum. I think we should do it again. Then I'm gonna drop you off forward. Must have been very professional. I want to just tell everybody I love my family and I love the rubber on these wheels because we need to run that shit again. Bro, that was some of the craziest shit I have ever experienced in a stock car. Think of your big time angle kit companies like Wisefab, like what I have in Yo-Yo, when we drift and we yank the e-brake and we're fully locked. This $18,000 Toyota Camry SE literally gave me that same exact feeling. Did you see how locked I was? Dude, that was like a full reverse entry and it just like seamlessly transitioned the other direction. I'm beyond words right now. This was some of the craziest shit I've ever experienced in a stock car that you can just buy for 18 grand and it can last you up to like 300,000 miles. Give me some time, give me some time. Let me let the adrenaline come down for a sec. Give me some time. Come take a seat with me, boys. Many of you have been asking for, this is probably the dustiest chair ever. Many of you have been asking for me to set up an event where all of you can come to. Well, now is the time. On August 21st of this year at Apple Valley Speedway, I will be, what is this noise? Oh shit. I told you I heard something, bro. There's just so much going on right now. So anyhow, listen, so CarDeview is having me host their event for them on August 21st of this year, 2022 at Apple Valley Speedway. All you guys gotta do is go to the link right here to the website and register. There will be a small driver's fee. Also, there's gonna be a drift track. There's also gonna be a donut pit with a little mini course, vendors. I'm gonna have a tent there selling some exclusive merch you can only buy at the event. Also, Zestino Tires will be there selling tires, so you could go send it, buy tires at a highly discounted rate, get it mounted on the spot and go back out there and rip it. I'll have some homies there doing ride-alongs. I will also be doing ride-alongs. A lot of cool stuff that I don't want to necessarily spoil. Just go on the website, hit the link right here, register, and I will see you guys there. I can swear there's something crawling on my back, bro. All right, Mr. Smith, are you ready? Let's do this, man. All right, man. Let's check it out. Some more things for you to experience. So, I know you're used to seeing like donuts at intersections and stuff like that. This ain't that. It's definitely not that. How is that? Wow, man. Did you like that? I really like this. This is really dope, man. I can't believe it. Was it what you expected, honestly? I didn't know what to expect, to be honest. I mean, it just, you know, this is blowing my mind. Yeah, it feels safe. I mean, I don't feel like we're out of control or anything like that. How was it like when you were doing those high-speed drifts? Like, we were like a good 110 miles an hour right there. Yeah, it was 110 miles an hour? It was about 110 miles an hour. Holy smokers. No, I had no idea we were going that fast, but it felt safe. Yeah? You can go fast and be safe, and this was definitely that. Here, let's hop outside. I know the adrenaline's high right now. Let's go outside real quick. Shit out. Alright, now we're kind of calming down. Was it what you expected? Was it what you anticipated?
I didn't know what to anticipate, but I mean, my heart's pumping, my hair is sweating, and I'm feeling pretty good.
So you feeling like 20 years younger, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Let the kids know at home. They should be doing this stuff, right? As long as they have what?
As long as they have the permits, the permission, you know, it's okay.
So do you recommend street drifting, yes or no?
Oh, I definitely recommend street drifting.
Is there a huge difference between street drifting and sideshows?
Big difference?
Let's go again.
All right.
Come on, my friend.
Hey, KBZ, you fired up.
Yeah, nowadays I
Someone just got pulled over.
Brake curve stop, brake curve stop, brake curve and stop.
Dude, they're stopping right by me.
Roll down your windows, turn off your car, roll down your windows.
A few moments later.
Bro, my girlfriend knows I didn't do shit.
Oh my god, and a spider.
Hey, bro, it looks like you got bit too, huh? Yeah. Show us your spider powers. You ain't. Alright boys, so we just finished the video. Today, in the rear, we're rocking Zestino Greg 07 RS's. These tires honestly blew my mind, as you can see, entirely. With the amount of smoke, grip, and on top of that tread, where you saw all that shredding, we still have over 80% tread. Now these tires aren't only just for drifting, you can use them for canyoning, the whole nine. Also, you could get them yourself. All you gotta do is you gotta go on onlinetires.com. Here's the website. Pick Zestino tires, put in your size, or you can just DM them on Instagram. Here's their link. Let them know Ari sent you. In the meantime, how shall we end this night?
I'm thinking maybe we do some Habibis and maybe we show these people what I've been missing.